In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a new project in Balsamiq. Balsamiq is a fantastic tool for creating wireframes and prototypes in a user-friendly environment. Whether you're new to it or just need a quick refresher, I'll guide you through the necessary steps to get you started with a brand new project. First, let's begin by opening up your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser that you typically use. Once your browser is open, type in the search bar, Balsamiq. This will prompt a list of results, and you're looking for the official Balsamiq website, which should appear as one of the first few links. You can also identify it by looking for the URL that ends with balsamiq.com, which is the official and safest place to land. Now, once you've located the correct link, go ahead and click on it. You should be directed to Balsamiq's homepage. Here, look towards the upper right-hand corner of the screen where you'll find a Login button. Press this button and you'll be taken to the login interface. In the login section, enter your personal login details. This typically includes your username or email and your password. Input this information carefully to ensure accurate entry and avoid any login errors. If you don't yet have an account, Balsamiq also offers a free trial or an option to create an account, which you can explore before logging in. Once you've successfully logged into your account, you'll be welcomed into the Balsamiq environment. You'll notice several menu options, and for our purpose, we are going to direct our attention to the top left corner of the screen where the project menu lies. Click on the project menu and you'll see a list of options dropping down. Among these, you will find the option labeled as New Project. Select New Project, and with this action, congratulations, you're officially starting with a new project in Balsamiq. Remember, a fresh project is like a blank canvas in Balsamiq, and now all the creative possibilities lie ahead of you. From here on, you can begin adding elements to your wireframe, creating different layouts, and building upon ideas, all facilitated by the various tools Balsamiq offers. And there you have it. You've just opened a new project in Balsamiq in these simple and efficient steps. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful. Feel free to rewind this video if you need to go through any step again, and don't hesitate to explore more Balsamiq features as you get comfortable. Enjoy designing your mockups, and happy creating!